we are celebrating Damodar month, and there is a Leela which I found. Actually, this is Kartik month, which started on Tuesday, and very soon, all these little girls are going to sing Damodar Ashtakam along with us. We all can sing together. There are papers which are being distributed. So Damodar Leela is actually depicted in the picture there on the right. That's Yashoda Maya and Lala there. And the Leela is basically, I just read it from ISKCON Desire. So we are celebrating the month of Damodar. That is very special month. In this month we celebrate so many loving pastimes. Krishna's love is simultaneous. He has the love relationship with gopis, gopas, his intimate friends. He has the loving relationship with Yashoda, Nanda and everybody. And it is very exciting month because Krishna is very sweet and very happy. Actually Kartik means Radharani. It's the month of Radharani. So Krishna is very happy in this month, very enthusiastic. So as you may have heard, Krishna is fond of butter and yogurt. As a matter of fact, he is also known as Makhan Chor, the butter thief. Of course, really, he wants to thieve the hearts of gopis. But here and there, a little yogurt and butter he also takes along. So him and his boyfriends, when they say we go out and play, it's actually not true. They are going to steal butter and yogurt in the houses of Brajabasis. And they are very tricky about it. They go and see that the mother, she is taking care of the house and she will be sidetracked. Maybe they will call for somewhere outside. So she goes outside or they go any type of little trick. And then they go quickly inside the house where there is butter. Here they take it and then they have butter festival. In some of the temples you will get butter at this time when you go, butter and chini with some sweet mix. So Krishna is very fond of having these festivals. But the Brajagopis, they always come home and they cannot find their butter. And sometimes they see the feet of Krishna on the floor with some yogurt which fell on the ground, and so his feet are clearly marked on the yogurt. And she says, that was Krishna, his friends. So they love Krishna so much that they want to see him also. Actually they are upset. Why didn't we see him? He came to our butter. Why? He came to get our butter. Why he didn't come to see us? He could have gotten us. So then they say, let us go and complain to Mother Yashoda about all the theft, and then we can also see Krishna because he is there. You see, all the gopis are little envious of Mother Yashoda because Mother Yashoda has Krishna in her house all the time. So they also want to go and see him. So they go to Mother Yashoda and they say, Mother Yashoda, you know one thing, Krishna is always coming to our home and he is taking our butter. And he sometimes breaks our yogurt pots, and then sometimes we hide yogurt and the butter in very dark area. And then he goes out there, and because he has his effulgence, he can see the butter anyway. Then we hang it up in the ceiling. He takes his sticks, he knocks the yogurt pot, and everything drops down, and we have a big mess there. And he is simply taking everything. Mother Yashoda, where is Krishna? They just want to see him. They just make the excuse. Then Mother Yashoda says, oh, Krishna is so naughty. He is giving so much trouble. I think I shall chastise him. Then they say, okay, it's not that bad. Then she says, maybe I should take away the jewels from his body so he cannot see. Probably he can see the dark because of the shining of the jewels. Then they go, no, it's okay. We just want you to know what your Krishna is doing. So then later Krishna does this pastime also at his own home. Then my Mother Yashoda says, Lala, come here. Are you not getting enough prasadam at your home? Why you have to go and steal from the gopis? What is this? You are giving a bad name to your mother and your father. No, Maya, I'm not. We are going just having fun. We are just playing and we are not stealing anything. They are just making up stories. Like this it is going on. So one day Mother Yashoda has Krishna in her lap and she is giving her, her breast milk, and Lala is very happy. He loves to be in the arms of Mother Yashoda and to drink her milk. All of a sudden, Mother Yashoda thinks, oh, I have put milk on the stove of kitchen and it's boiling over. So quickly she takes Krishna aside and puts him there and runs away. And Krishna is very upset. He says, I was drinking happily and mother just put me away like I'm nothing. Oh no, now I'm going to get something and just gonna eat yogurt. He goes to the yogurt pot and he takes a stone and breaks the yogurt pot. It's a big yogurt pot and he goes and starts eating and also some butter. And he calls the monkeys, come, very nice butter over here. Then the monkeys take so much butter, so much yogurt, they cannot eat anymore. They are so full, then Krishna says, oh, this butter seems to be bad. The monkeys don't want anymore. So Mother Yashoda, she goes to the kitchen, she takes care of her milk, and then she goes back and there is no Lala. And then she sees the mess. The yogurt pot is broken, yogurt all over the floor. She sees the steps going away. Oh, I will just have to follow these steps and I am going to get him. So when Krishna sees Yashoda coming upset, she has picked up a little stick and she says, Lala, what the gopis said is all true. You are naughty. And she thinks, if I will not educate my baby, then he will become a big thief, a big problem. I must teach him a lesson. I cannot tolerate this. So when Krishna sees Yashoda coming with the stick, he is getting very afraid of face. Maya, no, don't do anything to me. And he gets up and starts running. Now he is a small boy, but he can run. And Mother Yashoda, she is heavy and she is trying to get after him and after him. And she is sweating and finally she snatches Krishna. And then he goes, oh, no, please don't chastise me. I will be good boy. But she says, no, Lala, you have gone very bad. And now you have to learn a lesson. You don't do such things, breaking pots, disturbing all the yogurt. What do you think? So she pulls him along with her to the wooden mortar where she makes the spices. It's a big wooden mortar. You can see in some of the houses they still have them in Raja. They still utilize them, and then she takes a rope, she binds it around Krishna's waist. Damodar means bound around the waist. That's the name of Krishna because he was tied. So she binds it, and when she just wants to finally close the string, it's missing 1 inch. Then Yashoda goes quickly and finds another string, and she connects the two. And again she tries to tie. Again it's 1 inch missing. Then she says, I cannot do anything. This is terrible. Again she gets around the string, ties it together, and again she tries. And Krishna at the same time, no, why are you binding me, Maya? I will not be bad anymore. But she says, no, if I am always weak with him, then he will never learn the lesson. So I have to do this, time. Another inch missing. Finally she brings all the strings from the house and still there is missing. Then she is sweating and trying to be strict, but it's long time and she is worried. Krishna looks at this, she says, Maya, I love you so much and I permit you to bind me. So the next string comes, Krishna is bound. By that effort to please him, because everything Yashoda does is for her love for Lala. She doesn't have any other thought. So now he's bound, she says, so now I taught you a lesson, Lala, and you don't forget that. Again, I think this is a very big story, but finally what happens is Krishna is bound by the mortar, as you can see there in the picture. As Mother Yashoda goes inside, Krishna pulls that mortar around, and there are 2 trees in the house, in Krishna's house. He brings that mortar through those trees fell down. Those trees are basically Nalakuvera and Manigriva, who were sons actually, Kuvera's sons. So they were given, a curse basically to be a tree, and that Krishna will basically release them from that curse. So that's the whole story. Yeah, Narmuni cursed him. So, and this whole story actually is there in the shloka which you are going to read basically along with this verse. So, can you start? And every this month, every day, if you can read this at home, that would be very good. But every Sunday, we will have it here.
Don't go after.
Namamishwaram Sachidanandharupam Vasakundalam Gokule Vrajamana.
Namamishwaram Sachidanandharupam Vasakundalam Gokule Vrajamana.
Yashoda Viyolukam Nagdavamana Param Vrishtam Atyanta Todrutya Gopya. Rudantam muhurnetram mugmamrujantam Karam bojayugmena sadankanetram.
Rudantam muhurnetram mugmamrujantam Karam bojayugmena sadankanetram.
Muhushvasakam patri rekhankakantha Sitagayadamodaram bhaktivatam.
Muhusvasakam patri rekhankakantha Sitagayadamodaram bhaktivatam.
Ividakshvalilabhiranandakunde Swagosham vimajjantam marjapayantam.
Ividakshvalilabhiranandakunde Swagosham vimajjantam marjapayantam.
Tariyeshu tarneshu bhaktijivatva Puna prematastam shatavruti vande.
Tariyeshu tarneshu bhaktijivatva Puna prematastam shatavruti vande.
Varam devam moksham na moksham vadhiva Nachanyam vruneha vareshadapiha.
Varam deva moksham na moksham vadhiva Nachanyam vruneha vareshadapiha.
Idam keva purnata gopalabala Sada me manasya avirasaki manye.
Idam deva purnata gopalabala Sada me manasya avirasaki manye.
Idante mukham bhojam atyanta nile Bhutam kuntai snigdha gopya.
Idam devukham bhojam atyanta nile Idam kutare srikaya gopya.
Muhushumbitam vibharaktadharame Manasya virastamalam lakshalabhe.
Muhushumbitam vibharaktadharame Manasya virastamalam lakshalabhe.
Namo Deva Damodarananta Vishnu Tasita Prabho Dukha Jalapti Magna.
Namo Deva Damodarananta Vishnu Prasida Prabhu
कुबेरात्मजो वादामृतयदत्वा त्वया मुचितो भक्तिभाजो कृतय च त्वया मुचितो भक्तिभाजो कृतय च तथा प्रेम भक्ति स्वकामि प्रयच्छ नमो शीघ्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह
तथा प्रेम भक्ति स्वकामि प्रयच्छ नमो शीघ्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह
नमस्तेस्तु नाम्ने स्फुरदिति नाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायात विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकाय त्वदीय प्रियाय नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम्
नमो राधिकाय त्वदीय प्रियाय नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम्
नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले व्रजमानं
नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले व्रजमानं
यशोदाभियोगं भक्तवमानं त्वयां दृष्टमाद्यन्ततोरुह्यगोपा
यशोदाभियोगं